Hey guys, and today it's just going to be me with some of my, awesome toys. Well, today we're going to be doing like a bit of trap. Well, it's depending if you want to. But I'm going to choose my Barbie dolls. My Barbie dolls are not going to be playing. I'm going to be as plaything. So I'm going to say a Barbie and I'm going to act that. So if you would like to do that, well, you can do that with me. Alright. Ari's a singer. She has all the things that she needs. She has her mic. She has her stage. She has her clothes. She also has prepared her stuff. She also has all the stuff, like our friends in the audience. So if I would like to act a part of Barbie, I can do that. And then the next part is I gonna dance the fire. Next is Barbie. She has a little sister called Chelsea, and she also has 3 pups. She also has a pup that she takes care of. So next I'm going to do her voice. Snow White, can you come here, please? Next, I'm going to do Drax. Drax, she's a friendly girl. But when she lives at Monster High, she has a friend called Cleo. Cleo is Cleopatra from Egypt.
And we had a cool opportunity today for Rachel and Lisa to take the box and hand deliver it to a child in Grenada. But first, we have to pack this box. So I'm packing a lot of
So next, I'm going to do Drax. Cleo. Hi, Cleo. Next, I'm going to do Frankie. Frankie, she's really a monster high, but she is an enemy. She's not in a lot of movies, but I only have Frankie in the enemy. Frankie doesn't wear a shirt. So next, what? So I'm going to do Frankie. My books were sticking at the dentist. And next, I'm going to do Snow White. Snow White's a lovely princess, and she eats this apple that the witch gives her, and she doesn't know it's a witch. So now I'm going to do the acting again, so you know it's going to keep coming. And now it's not all fairies are magical. So next, I'm going to do a voice. So you can hear that. And so now.
Hey, cool costume. Oh, okay, thanks a lot. Here you go. Would you like some punch? Zach, I told you I was going to wear this. Okay, don't forget. Solution. This is even perfect.
So now this is what it is. I must be little baby. When I see my mom and dad doesn't let us leave with strangers. Hey, I just met him and he looks cool. So maybe if you call me, I'll just be cool. And next as I think the last one, let me see the last one as Elsa. She's the one who's missing. Elsa, she's a nice queen. She's not very nice. She has a sister called Anna. Anna's fine, but and Ariel with Elsa hurts her. She hears her voice. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Tell me when it's time, let it go.
Step two. Oh, that was awesome. No way. They should have taken one piece of candy. Stole their candy. Okay, I'm gonna make a puppy. Puppy.
Oh, what are you doing?
Hey kids, I go off to tea. You want to come see me later? Well, I say hello to me, William Miller. You want to show that TV? Well, I can do it today too. Just sorry about that. But my little brother is going to give you a bit of entertainment now. So now it might be over the time really. So please subscribe at the bottom if you know me. And you can make your own channel if this is under your name. So that is 3, 2, 1.